Hello guys, Rahul here, and I am going to walk you through GitHub. So the first thing I want you to do is to go on Google and type GitHub for Windows and go and get Git for Windows. Here you can download. Okay, so after this gets downloaded, what you have to do is install this exe file on your computer. I have already installed this GitHub for Windows on my computer, so I'm not going to do that. It's very simple process. You just have to hit next, and it will install GitHub in your computer. After it's finished, what you have to do is you have to go to your search bar and search for Git Bash. It's an app from Git. So enter, and it will open a command prompt provided by GitHub. Okay, so after doing that, go to github.com and go to that folder, that project folder, which is gurgx091 and dspfpga, and copy this https clone URL. So just right click and copy. After copying that URL, go to your git bash again and open a directory where you want to clone that repo on your local machine. So normally what I do is I clone everything inside my Git folder that I have created inside my document folder. So if I do ls here, it will list all the directory in my computer for this current path. So I will go inside my document folder here, so I can just cd and documents, and then if I do ls again, it will show me directories inside this document directories. So I can go inside my git and do ls, and again you can save this project anywhere you want. You can save it on desktop, you can save it on D drive, E drive, whatever you like. Okay, so after doing that, what you have to do is you have to clone that repo, and to do that you just type git space clone and then the URL, just paste it here, that the one that you got from GitHub, and hit enter. It says cloning into DSP FPGA, and it needs your username and password that you use to register on GitHub. So just enter it here, and after that it will clone everything in your local folder. So it says okay, now it says it's done. So when I go and open that folder here, I can see, if I go into documents and if I go into git, I can see that I have a DSP FPGA folder here which has these two files in there. So when you clone any repo, it will get cloned from master branch. That's why we are not seeing anything here, because if I go to GitHub, see, there is only one readme.md file which I got here when I cloned that repo. So, and if I go and change branch here to, let's say, Kalyani, I can see that, oh, there are 5 new folders here. So to see that on our local machine, what I need to do is I need to go into Kalyani's branch. To do that, it's a very easy command here. First, I need to go into that folder, DSP, whatever that name was, and it says here that you are currently in master branch. Okay, so if I do git and then checkout, so checkout is basically to change the branch. So if I do git checkout and Kalyani, I want to check out the branch named Kalyani. So it will say after hitting enter, it will show that branch Kalyani set up to track remote branch and switch to a new branch Kalyani. Now if I go to my folder again here, I can see that, oh, I have got these 5 folders. We were not seeing it in the very first place because we were in master branch and we didn't have this file in our master branch. But now after changing this branch to Kalyani, now I can see that I have got 5 new folders here. Okay, so you have to work in your own branch. Let's say if I am Kalyani, so I have to work in this Kalyani branch. I don't have to go and work in like some other branch, let's say Alex or Ipsita or Dev. Okay, so I have to do everything here. Now let's see, I'm Kalyani and I'm working here. So let's say I have added one new file, just for a tutorial, that I have added a new text document to this branch Kalyani. Now when I go to git bash and type git status, so this command is just for checking the current status of your folder in your local machine. So when I hit enter, it will show that you have got one untracked files, which is a new text document.txt. This is because I have added this file here. If I go and hit delete, if I delete this, and if I go again and type git status, it will show that nothing to commit, working directory clean, because I haven't made any changes to this branch yet, right? So let's see, I'm going to add this text file again and do git status here. Okay, so now I have I have got one new text document. Okay, so after that, what I have to do is, after doing git status, the first thing is I have to add this file to git folder, right, on our local machine. So to do that, I have to do git add, and we can just type the name of the file here like this, or the easiest way to do is git add and then dot. So it will add all of your untracked files. So whatever files you changed or whatever files you added, it will add everything to the git folder here by doing git add and dot command. So if I hit enter, it will add everything. Now if I do git status, it will show me that, okay, now you have got one new file which is tracked and inside the git folder, and these files needs to be committed. So the next thing is you have to commit it to the GitHub. So to do that, what I have to do is I have to type git commit and then -m. So -m is a flag to denote a message, and then inside double quote you can type any message like whatever you changed for this particular file. So I can say that, okay, I have added a new file like this, short message here, and then I hit enter. So now it says one file changed, and a mode has been created at this number. This for just for git reference, and this is the file name. Now after this command, now you have committed it locally, you haven't pushed it to the repo yet. So if you go to GitHub and go to Kalyani branch here, go to Kalyani branch, you cannot see that file here because we haven't pushed it yet to the GitHub repo. So the final command will be git push and then origin. You have to do it every time whenever you push to your branch. So you have to do git push origin and then the name of that branch. So right now I am in Kalyani branch. That's why I'm pushing it to Kalyani. You cannot push it to other branch from here. Like if I want to push it to Alex branch, I cannot, because right now I'm in Kalyani branch. So to push this, I just say git push origin Kalyani and never forget to mention origin here because this is very important. So git push origin Kalyani and then hit enter. After hitting enter, it will again ask for username. So just provide your username and your password, and okay. So after you enter your username and password, it will show that okay, this thing has been pushed to GitHub on Kalyani branch. So now if I go here and refresh it, now I can see, okay, so I have got a new file named new text document, and this is the message that I provided when I was committing this file. So when I go here, and I will show you here, where did I committed that? Nothing added to commit. Whatever message we have provided while committing, that's the message you will see here, which I'm trying to find where we have committed this. Okay, here. So when we have committed this file, we have provided a message, added new file, which is showing here that okay, I have added new file, and this is only to this branch. So when I change my branch to, let's say, Ipsita, I cannot see that file because right now that file is inside Kalyani branch, right? So only you can access this file inside Kalyani branch. If I now, after